I don't know what we're doing today, but I gotta do something because I'm going crazy. I've been in the house all weekend. I can't work on my wife's car. We could do that. We definitely could. We're doing 12 foot by 4. So we'll just make it exactly 4 foot. I get 2 out of this or no? Absolutely. So we need 4 of these 4 footers. Discount mark on it. I just farted and it smelled really bad.
That's good.
So this board is inch and 9/16 basically. So I'm gonna go 1.9 inch. Then I put my block of wood on this side of the line. Maximum performance, use 5.0 Hercules 20 volt. What is this? 5.0, hey! We're going 4 by 12 on this bad boy. Gonna have a proper garden this year. Be growing our own food. Do, 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 do. Yeah, pivot. Oh yeah, got an extra board. Didn't even mean to. I buried that one too much. Come on, you bastard. Is it not the same length? It's 12 foot and 3/4. 12 foot and 13/16. That's a problem. Hey! Is there paint on both sides? Do I really care that much? I mean, I got the paint here already. Damn it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Come on. Work with me. Yeah. Oh, man. Well, what's that strat about? It's tight, so is that not tight? The floor is uneven. That's what that's about. These screws probably ain't that long. Well, when I dig them in, they are. Oh, wow, that was... Looks great. So gassy. Been eating a lot of hummus. Good enough for me. 7/8, 13/16-ish, 12 and 3/8. What? So here's the thing. I'm using the discount wood. Not the cream of the crop. Everything's just a little bowed. Ah, jeez. Yeah, I'll take it nice and easy. Now you're gonna go forward. You ready? So we went to the store and picked up some tomatoes. I'm pretty sure that's a strawberry. That's a house plant. We'll talk about that later. Actually, we won't talk about that at all. It's just out here for right now. And then she's got a plethora of stuff. Sunflowers are not going in, but we have them. We got spinach, some sweet peppers, some tomatoes. Not doing so great. The cucumbers are doing good. But yeah, so we got some stuff. I wish I had the garden done and ready, but I'm not there yet. It's been raining, weather, and life has been getting in the way. But I just figured I'd finish up this video. A really simple way. I mean, that was the easiest, probably the easiest way you can build an above ground garden box. Like, it took me longer editing this video than it did take me building that thing. I wish I had more to show you. But thanks for watching. Plan on making more videos, so like and subscribe. Trying to reach that old 1,000 subscribers by 2026. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. My name's Ethan, and that was my day off.